Welcome to the Migrating a SEP 12.1.x client to SEP 14 lab exercise for discovering endpoint client implementation methods and strategies. In this lab exercise, we have a client workstation, workstation 02, that contains a previous installation of a SEP 12.1.x unmanaged client, and it requires an upgrade to be current with the new SEP 14 installation. To upgrade the client, in this case, we're going to proceed in two steps. First, we're going to make the client managed using a local installation tool for silink.xml. And secondly, we're going to upgrade the client using the SEPM upgrade mechanism. So let's get started. Okay, so we're going to begin by creating a client communications update package. This is similar to pushing a client down to the workstation, but we're going to make a couple of changes. We'll select our default group and click Install Client. Instead of choosing a package directly, we're going to use the Communications Update package deployment, and we'll create a package for clients that run on Windows in the case of our lab environment. We'll say Next. Choose our default group, and we will save the package. And this time we'll save it to the same directory that we've used previously. Shared packages, and click Next. And Next again, and then the package has been created and saved in the folder. So let's switch to our workstation that we want to upgrade, and we'll open that Shared Packages directory. And we can see the package we've created previously, but we also have a new package, a SEP Communications package. So we're going to open this file, and then we will extract the updater zip file. And in this case, we'll choose to simply extract it to our desktop. And inside this package, we can see we have a silink drop.exe. We'll go ahead and launch that, and that will update the communication setting from this client to our SEPM. And that just takes a minute to execute. And we can just check that we have a green dot now on our Symantec Endpoint Protection client. So switching back to our SEPM, let's update our client status. And now we can see that workstation 02 is now online with the SEPM, and we can see the version of the client installed, 12.1.7. So our next step at this point is to go ahead and now upgrade that client to SEP 14. And we're going to use an install package, and we're going to use the task Upgrade Clients with Package. And this opens the Upgrade Groups wizard. And we're going to choose a package to use. In our case, we're going to be sending a 32-bit version. Again, choose our default group because our workstation is a member of that group. Click Next. And I'm going to click on the Upgrade Settings button and show you that we can make some changes here. We're going to deselect Maintain Existing Client Features when updating, because we want to update this to the new version of SEP 14. But we can also select our previously created No Mail Scanning setting, and we'll use the default Windows settings. We'll click on the Notification tab and choose to notify users before the upgrade, and then we'll populate that notification message using the default template. We can say OK, and then download the package from the management server. And now the clients will be automatically upgraded. So let's switch back to our client workstation. That upgrade will begin to process. And we'll see a notification that its Symantec Endpoint Protection is upgrading the software. We'll interact with that. And the upgrade process will take place in the background. This will take a few minutes to execute depending on your environment. And now we're going to be prompted to restart the workstation to complete the upgrade. log back in and allow that to complete. And now as we switch back to our SEP Manager, we can refresh our workstation view. And we can see that workstation 02 now has the SEP 14 client version and has been successfully upgraded.